everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss about the linguistics level. Okay, so in the previous video we have already discussed the type of linguistics and design feature. What do we mean by linguistic? These all things we have discussed in the previous video. Now in this video we are going to discuss about the linguistics level. So yeah, without wasting our time, let's start the video. And if you will like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Okay, so we will start with it. So first we are going to understand what do we mean by linguistic level. So it refers to scientific studies of languages. Means linguistic level is a study. Okay, it is a scientific studies of languages. Okay, I have already taught you in the previous video. Levels of languages are distributed in various manner, such as you all can see this diagram over here. So this is levels of language. So levels of language, first is phonetics, which is also known as phonology. Second is morphology. Third one is syntax. Fourth one is semantics. Fifth one is pragmatic. Right? So in phonetics you can see the other branch, which is all sound system sound. Morphology, forms and words. Syntax, clauses and sentence. Semantics, meanings and various kind. And in pragmatic, language and uses. Now students, we are going to understand many more important things, like within linguistic level is hierarchy of language structure. Like in linguistic level is hierarchical to language structure. There are central and peripheral levels according to Charles Hockett. There are two types of level according to Charles Hockett. First one is the central level and the other one is the peripheral level. So please make a note that there are two types of levels in the Charles Hockett structure, which is central and peripheral level. So there are three subsystem levels, and they are as first is grammatical system, second one is the phonological system, means how sounds are arranged, third one is morphological system. Okay, now we are going to discuss about there are two peripheral subsystems. Okay, हम लोग ने डिस्कस कर लिया टू सब सिस्टम्स को. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे टू पेरीफेरिकल सब सिस्टम. फर्स्ट इज सेगमेंटिक सिस्टम एंड सेकंड वन इज प्रोग्मेटिक सिस्टम. एंड अब हम समझेंगे व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय सेमेंटिक. ठीक है, सेमेंटिक सिस्टम क्या होते हैं. सो सेमेंटिक रेफर्स टू मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड्स. दिस इज एरिया ऑफ मीनिंग. इट माइट बी थॉट दैट सेमेंटिक्स इज कवर्ड बाय एरियाज ऑफ morphology and syntax, but is quickly seen that in levels need to be studied on to have a proper perspective on meanings of language. Here one touches however on practically every other level of language, as well as there exists lexical, grammatical, sentence and utterance meaning. Now next is pragmatic. What do we mean by pragmatic? Pragmatic refers to concern here it with the use of language in specific situation. The meanings of sentences need not to be the same in abstract form and in the practical use. In the latter case, one speaks of utterance meaning. The area of pragmatic relies strongly for analysis of the notion of speech act, which is concerned with actual performance of language. It involves notion of proportion, roughly the content of the sentence and the intent and effect on the utterance. So that's it, and you all know what do we mean by linguistics and what are the different linguistics level of linguistic analysis that I have already taught.